It's time to get balanced. Start here. The Kapha Balancing Bundle is a synergistic combination of Ayurvedic herbal formulas designed to target Kapha Dosha imbalance in every part of your body and mind. Each one has a purpose. Healthy Kapha pacifies systemic Kapha imbalance with a blend of warming, stimulating, and cleansing herbs. Take them any time of day as a helpful tool to decrease overall Kapha. Kapha Digest activates your digestive system and encourages quick and complete digestion of food. Try taking it before or with meals. Triphala supports your body's natural daily cleansing process by encouraging comfortable elimination. In the Ayurvedic tradition, it's taken before bed or first thing in the morning. A simple but vigorous self-massage with Kapha massage oil promotes energy and vitality. We want you to love how you feel. If you decide this isn't the right fit, we have a 90-day return policy. And if you do fall in love, get your order shipped free for totals over $60. Your path to well-being is waiting to be discovered, and we're here to help. Start with the Kapha Balancing Bundle.